everybody, guess what? I left my house today. It's actually pretty sunny outside. You guys can't even see. It's actually pretty sunny outside. It's just really cold. Yesterday we had 50 degrees or 55 degrees, and today it's like 0 to 10 degrees. It's cold and it's windy, but I wanted to go out to do this diaper deal. Now I have a Pick and Save. If you guys can see right here, Pick and Save. They are affiliated with Kroger. So if you guys go to the Kroger website, you guys can see which grocery store in your area is affiliated with Kroger. So Pick and Save is affiliated. Kroger bought them out like a year ago, and I am loving the deals lately. I've never really shopped at Pick and Save, even though that's the closest grocery store to my house. I hated shopping there because I felt like they're overpriced. But I'm here to show you guys this deal. So as you guys can see here, I went crazy over diapers. Like I said, my son is trying to be potty trained, but if he doesn't use these diapers, I will keep them until I have my next child, because it's something that we will use. So here is the deal. So what you guys want to do is you guys want to buy, my store had them for $8.99. Some stores have them for $7.99. Okay? The $7.99, you guys want to buy 5 packs of diapers, 5. But with my store, they were $8.99, so I ended up just buying 4. I used 4 of these Huggies $2 off coupons. Sorry, it's not focusing. Or you guys can also use this paper coupon from coupons.com, plus there was a digital one that you guys can clip to your cart. So I ended up buying 4 diapers, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I bought this pack of Huggies baby wipes. I didn't use any coupons with it because I didn't have any, but this was 64 count, and then I ended up getting a one and done. Benjamin, don't knock them over. And then I ended up getting that. So my kid's being a little stinker. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Okay, so my first total for all those diapers was $40.44. Yes, those are for your tushy. So $40.44. I ended up using 4 $2 coupons, making it come to be $8. So I ended up paying $32.44 for those. But then what popped out were these $10 Catalinas. So I got one Catalina that said, because you guys need to spend $40 to get this. You need to buy $40 worth of baby stuff to get this. So I get a $10 off coupon on your next baby aisle purchase, so there's that. And then I also got this Catalina that said save $10 on your next order. So there was those 2 Catalinas, so I got 20 bucks back. So then I went to another grocery store just down the road, and because I took whatever size they had. So I bought 4 more, and then I bought 2 more packs. I got the Lightning McQueen, and then I got those. So I ended up, after I used these 2 $10 Catalinas, I ended up paying $12.44 for those. But then I also, I'm sorry, I'm losing my train of thought. But then it also printed off 2 more $10 Catalinas. So this was like pretty much kind of free, but I mean, this is how much money I've paid out of pocket so far. But I have these $10 Catalinas, and I don't know how long this deal is going to go for, but definitely do this deal if you guys can. I still have a little bit more coupons left, so I might go to a store and buy another pack of diapers, because you can't go wrong with $12 and something cents of diapers. I forgot to do how much it costs. I know it's like $2 something, but then if you include the baby wipes, it's like $2.47 for each item, which I think is a pretty good idea. So just want to show you guys that deal. Let me know if you guys do that deal, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.